Greetings fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at a kit that was produced originally by Flymodel Gomix and then reissued or rekitted by GPM. And this is the Skyraider. Now, as usual, you see I redo this model in 1/72 scale. In its original shoki scheme. So you can look up the aircraft detail KT99771. I did a bit of recoloring, and yes, I was a bit heavy on the paneling, but this is what it is. All right, so rear fuselage, rudder, cockpit area, nose area, canopy section, part of the engine here. The wing, you can see here, I could do the wing folded or in fixed position. I feel I'm going to do it in the fixed position. You can see the hard points. Again, it was recolored to try to present more accurately the color scheme used. And yeah. Again, I packed another sheet. This is we use for reinforcement. It's just 160 gram. And here you have the framework for it. This is me going on the internet and finding out what the instrument panel looked like, including the tracking computer, and just add little details like to the prop, of course, centerline fuel tank, and then the hard points, the pylon for the hard points underneath, and the engine detail. And this is what it should look like when completed. It's beautiful. This is what we're going to build. I don't think I'm going to be doing the bombs. I'll only be doing the fuel tanks or napalm canisters, and then it shows you in detail how it's built. So this should be quite interesting. I would say to get this model, you'll find an updated version of this on the GPM website. You can go there and look at it and purchase. And just a suggestion of those who are not in Poland or surrounding region, with the cost for shipping, I would strongly advise you to buy in bulk, meaning not just one model, just buy several models and then ship. To ship to my side of the world, it costs approximately $48 US. And this is in 2022 money. So that's it. Can't wait to start this build too. It's going to be fun. So everybody, that's it for the Skyraider. You take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. And I hope you join me when it's time to build this baby. Take care everybody, and one love.